5 tips how to save money as a rental tenant.
Yeah, baby. Allow me to introduce myself. I represent the rent is too damn high party.
Number 5, location. And I'm talking about apartment versus single family home, corporate landlord versus mom and pop landlord. If you choose to rent from a mom and pop landlord and you're renting a single family home, you can avoid a lot of the fees that the corporate landlords will have. You'll have like storage fee, trash fee, parking fee, admin fee, elevator fee.
Because the rent is too damn high.
Negotiate. Ask for a discount on rent if you'll sign a longer lease term. Landlords hate turnover, and if you're a good tenant, they'll like to keep you around.
People got 7 jobs, they're working 36 hours a day, 12 days a week, and they can't afford a roof. I will make sure that you have a roof over your head, money in your pocket, and breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Shh. Get a roommate. Yes, get a roommate. And increase the rent on them when the landlord increases the rent on you. No, but all seriousness, you should definitely consider getting a roommate. Just make sure they're responsible and put them on the lease. Don't try to sneak them in.
Shh. You hear that? Somebody's stomach just growled. That was a children's stomach just growled because the rent is too damn high. You know how much a 1-bedroom apartment costs in Manhattan? $77,000 a month.
Don't complain. You actually have to take action and do something. You either make more money or you cut expenses.
You can't afford it.
Oh, and the last thing, just regular common sense stuff. Don't waste utilities, don't cause damage, and don't break the law. Simple.
How would you lower our rent? Simple. The rent is too damn high. A house in Queens costs $17 million.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, no, wait. I forgot. Know how to do household maintenance. I'll share a link below.
Because why? Because the rent is too damn high.
Now, Mr. McMillan, what about these reports that you yourself haven't paid rent since the 80s?
You know why I don't pay my rent, Seth?
Well, if I had to guess, I would say it's because the rent is
The rent is too damn high.